The fifth sitting of the Consultative Forum of the Turks and Caicos took place today, November 9th, in the nation's capital. A number of bills, including the Turks and Caicos Investment Agency Bill 2010, Business Licensing Amendment Bill 2010, Customs Amendment Bill, Theft Amendment Bill, Firearm-Related Offenses Detention and Bail Bill 2010, Firearms Amendment Bill 2010, and Trial Without Jury Bill 2010 were tabled at the forum meeting today. Now the Trial Without Jury Bill became a hot-button issue over the past few months. Forum Chair Lillian Mizik, in her opening remarks, gave her take on this bill.
With all due respect to my esteemed colleagues who are quite properly advocating for the right of defendants to a jury trial, I believe it is important for us to bear in mind that the civil right at issue in this debate is not so much a jury trial as it is a fair trial. I believe that justice must be balanced by fairness. And in this context, we should be careful about being so overly concerned about weighing the scales of justice in favor of the defendant that we ignore the categorical imperative of ensuring that justice is done for the victim or for the aggrieved party.
The Attorney General Hugh Shepard made his first appearance on national television at the forum with presentations of the various bills. He spoke first on the salient points of the Trial Without Jury Bill.
The essential clause of the bill is Clause 4, which actually provides for trial by judge if a judge is satisfied that the interests of justice require the trial to take place without a jury. That order, the judge can be invited to make by either of the parties to the proceedings, that is, either the prosecution or the defense can ask for such an order, or judge, if he is aware of some matter that would affect the conduct of the trial, can raise it himself. In any event, whichever route brings the issue before the judge, he has to have a hearing and hear representations from both parties before deciding whether to order trial by jury or trial by judge alone. As a judge, he will give a reasoned judgment as to why he has decided in favor of the one course or the other. And if either party is dissatisfied with the judge's determination, he can appeal to the Court of Appeal. There is no provision for an appeal beyond the Court of Appeal in relation to that decision, because it is not in the interests of justice that a trial be further delayed by an appeal to the Privy Council.
Today, that bill was passed with 9 members in favor and 6 members against. The members in favor were Chief Executive Mark Capes, Attorney General Hugh Shepard, Permanent Secretary Dalton Jones, David Bowen, Julianne Brutus, Cynthia Astwood, Patricia Simmons, Lillian Mizik, and Father Scott Brannon. Against the Trial Without Jury Bill were Dr. Linda Williams, Charlene Cartwright Robinson, the Reverend Derek Hamilton, Draxville Seymour, Courtney Mizik, and Karen Delancey. Other bills passed today at the Consultative Forum were the Firearms Amendment Bill 2010, Firearm-Related Offenses Detention and Bail Bill 2010, and the Theft Amendment Bill 2010. The Turks and Caicos Investment Agency Bill 2010, Business Licensing Amendment Bill 2010, and Customs Amendment Bill have all been rescheduled for voting at the 16th sitting of the Consultative Forum. We'll have more from the forum meeting in tomorrow's newscast. For WIV4 News, I'm Takara Bain.